নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, আমি শম্পা অধিকারী। আমি গত 7 আগস্ট টু 15 আগস্ট স্মাইলস পার স্মাইল এই ট্যুর অপারেটরদের সাথে আমার 18 জন গ্রুপ আমাদের মেম্বারদের সাথে আমি কেনিয়া বেড়াতে গিয়েছিলাম। তো সেখানকার কিছু ছবি ভিডিও আমি তোমাদের সাথে অবশ্যই শেয়ার করছি। তো আমরা প্রথমে আজকে আমি যেটা শেয়ার করব সেটা হচ্ছে ইকুয়েটার বা বিষুবরেখা নিয়ে। তো তোমরা একটু ধৈর্য ধরে দেখো। আমরা সবাই ছোটোবেলায় ভূগোল বা জিওগ্রাফিতে পড়েছি বিষুবরেখা ইকুয়েটার পৃথিবীর মাঝখান দিয়ে যায়। এই মহিলার নাম অ্যানা খুব সুন্দরভাবে আমাদের বুঝিয়ে দিয়েছে।
With a hole at the center, a jug with water, and a nightstick. So, as you understand, equator cuts the earth into two, the north and the southern hemisphere. Now, from this position, this is east, west, north, south. So, we go to the
Loudly, so little louder.
Quiet, please. Stop. No.
So, as you understand, equator cuts the earth into two, the north and the southern hemisphere. Now, from this position, this is east, west, north, south. The initial written there, down there, N is north, the other side S is south, and the white substance here is the line at the equator. So, east, west, north, south. So, we go to the north, then you see what will happen. Yes.
Quiet, please. Go to the north.
Okay, I'll have to explain so that you get the concept. The hole at the center allows centrifugal force, which means it allows the movement or the rotation to take place. I'll pour the water to the brim. I'll put the light stick at the center. You'll notice the movement which is clockwise. So at the north, it is clockwise. Examples given at the northern part of the hemisphere. Now take the picture of the North Pole as the equator cuts the earth into two. The coiling plants like beans being planted at the north, it goes in a clockwise direction. The flushing of the toilet or the sink. After washing the utensils, you plug the lid to drain the water. So when it goes clockwise, you're at the northern part. The cyclone's wind, the devil's dust wind, at the north moves in a clockwise manner. So the experiment is called Coriolis effect. Now, lock my hand at the hole and I pour the water to the brim. It's like a wall clock.
Yes.
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
ফটো তুলতে গেলে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি না কিছু।
ফটো তো তুলতেই হবে।
টাবুতে তাই তুলে হয়েছে।
কথা বলাটা বন্ধ রাখুন, তাহলেই দেখতে পাওয়া যাবে।
Tabu has been entitled to take the photographs.
So when it is clockwise at the north, what comes in your mind?
Okay.
Why is it clockwise?
Yes.
First point, magnetic fields. Second point, deflection of winds. So let me elaborate about the winds. Look at the North Pole and South Pole. So as the winds tend to move from the northern part of the hemisphere towards the equator, then from the southern part to the equator. At the equator line, which is at the 0 point, they deflect in a different direction, whereby you have clockwise and anti-clockwise. How does the winds affect the equator? So when the sun is overhead at noon at the equator, on 21st of March and 21st of September, it's too hot along the equator. And there are warm winds from the north, which comes towards the line. So along the equator, along the West Africa, we experience equatorial rains. So how does the winds affect the equator? It affects the equator because there is vegetation, because of that warmthness, and the issue of climatical change comes in. So that's it. We go to the southern part, finish at the equator line. You can see at the north, it was going in a clockwise direction. At the south, anti-clockwise. Examples given at the northern part is opposite to the southern part of the hemisphere. I hope you still remember the coiling plants like beans, the flushing of the toilet or the sink, the cyclone's wind or the devil's dust wind, the hair. People born at the southern part of the hemisphere, if they comb their hair, it does not stand still. The grains of the hair coils in a anti-clockwise at the south, clockwise at the northern part. So, as I've told you earlier, the experiment is called Coriolis effect. So, these are simple apparatus. But when you have the machine, which is a GPS, there's no need of this. You come with it to measure the equator at 0 degrees, the altitude and the feet itself. But these are simple apparatus. Do you have any question?
Yes.
Yes.
What will happen?
The water is dropping. In a minute, please. The water is
no movement.
Just keep it. Just make it watch that. It is rotating.
তুমি করতে পারছো, নিতে পারছো?
Hello, please put down water.
go again. Yes. Now go in.
Yes, now it is very clear. There is no movement at all. One request, ma'am.
Yes.
Please do the same thing on the southern part.
Okay, we go to the southern
Because
hemisphere.
at that time that was very turbulent. Let it settle. Put it.
ও ফাস্ট, কত ফাস্ট।
Very fast.
হ্যাঁ।
Excellent. Automatic. Excellent.
I'm done.
Yes.
Done.
Another request, ma'am. Excellent. It is rotating in the clockwise direction. On the northern part.